then 10 by 3 plus 2 cos theta. 3 plus 2 cos theta. So this is the equation of conic. To find this conic is either ellipse or hyperbola or parabola. First we compare it with the standard equation of ellipse. Also taking 3 common here. 3 1 plus 2 by 3 cos theta. So this can be written as 10 by 3 by 1 plus 2 by 3 cos theta. 2 by 3 cos theta. So comparing it with the standard form, R equals to dE by 1 plus E cos theta. D by 1 plus E cos theta. So we find dE equals to 10 by 3 and E equals to 2 by 3. This one is 2 by 3. So obviously 2 by 3 is less than 1. Hence the conic represent an ellipse. Hence conic represents an ellipse. So next we have to sketch the graph of this conic, this ellipse. So to sketch this ellipse, we have to make prepare a table by writing theta and R equals to here 10 by 3 plus 2 cos theta. 3 plus 2 cos theta. This is the R, and R theta we have to find R and theta. So we write R theta here theta. Now the values of theta are taken as theta equal to 0, and then pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, at least 2 pi. In this theta we have to take 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. We can also take more points. If theta equals to 0, cos 0, 1, 10 by 5 equal to R equal to 2. So its coordinate is R 2, 0 degree, 0, and theta equals to pi by 2. Then it's R equals to 10 by 3. Theta cos pi by 2 means 0. So R equals to 10 by 3. So coordinate is 10 by 3, pi by 2. 10 by 3, pi by 2. This is the coordinate of R and theta equal to pi, cos pi minus 1. So R equal to 10. Equal to 10, and its coordinate is 10, pi, and theta equals to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 cos pi 3 pi by 2 equals to 0, and 10 by 3. R is also 10 by 3. At least this, from this point we can sketch the graph of the conic. The conic is an ellipse. So R is 10 by 3 and theta is 3 pi by 2. And theta equals to 2 pi, then cos 2 pi equals to 1. Cos 2 pi equals to 1, then 10 by 5 equals 2. So R is 2 pi. This is the coordinate of R and theta. From these values of R and theta, from this point, we can sketch the graph of an ellipse. Then if theta equals to 0, R equals to 2. The 0 from 0, this distance is 2, and this coordinate is 2, 0 degree. And theta equals to pi by 2. This line makes this line pi by 2, so this is theta equal to pi by 2, and R equals to 10 by 3, pi by 2. And then another point is theta equal to pi. When theta equal to pi, R equal to 10. So this coordinate is 10, pi. 10, pi. And theta equals to 3 pi by 2. This line is 3 pi by 2. And this point is when theta equal to 3 pi by 2, R equals to 10 by 3. So this is 10 by 3, 3 pi by 2, its coordinate is 10 by 3, comma 3 pi by 2. And theta equals to 2 pi, then r is also 2. And this coordinate can also be written as 2 comma 2 pi. 2 comma 2 pi and 2 comma 0 are same in this ellipse. So by joining this point, we make an ellipse. The sketch of the ellipse is joining by this point. Here, in this way, we sketch the ellipse. The ellipse is, the conic is ellipse because eccentricity is 2 by 3, which is less than 1. So next we have to describe it. Describe means we have to identify its vertex, its foci, and the length of axis, and then length of minor axis, length of major axis. So these are the major axis. A dash, this is the major axis, A dash A. So length of major axis, length of major axis is major axis. The length of major axis is A dash. A dash is the length of major axis. Length A dash is the distance from A to A dash. The distance from origin to A. The distance from origin to A is 2 units, and the distance from origin to A dash is 10 units. So that the length of the axis A dash is 10 plus 2, which is 12. So this is the length of the major axis. The length of major axis is 12. This equals to 12. 2a equals to 12. So we can find a. Therefore, a equals to 6. A equals to 6. And these are the vertex. A and A dash is the vertex of this conic ellipse. A, the vertex, main vertex, one of the vertex is A. A is 2 comma 0, and another vertex is A dash. A dash, that is 10 comma pi. The coordinate of vertices are 2 comma 0 and 10 comma pi. And the focus. To find the focus, first we find the center. The center is the true center of an ellipse. The center of an ellipse is total length, major length. The length of the major axis is 12. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. From this point 6, 0 to this distance 2, this distance 4, and so that this coordinate is the center of the ellipse. The coordinate center of the ellipse is 2 plus 4, 6. That is center is 6 because A equal to 6. 6 comma pi. So from the center to C to A, this is center C. C to A equal to 6. The distance CA dash is also 6. So the length of major axis is 12. And from the center, this is minor axis. This is the minor axis, the CB and CB dash. The length of the minor axis, to find the length of minor axis, we have to find B. So from this B square, we have the formula B square equals to A square 1 minus E square. So A square equal to 36, 1 minus E square equal to 2 by 3, E to 2 square 4 by 9. So 36 into 9 minus 4 equal to 5 by 9. 5 by 9 equals to 20. This is B square. So B square equal to 20. B square equal to 20. Therefore, B equals to 20 to root 5. This is B. So length of minor axis. The length of minor axis is 2B. 2B is the length of the minor axis. The minor axis is B dash. B dash is the minor axis, and its length is 2b. So length of minor axis is 2b. Minor axis 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 which is equals to b dash. This is equals to 2b, and this is equals to 2. B is 4 2 root 5 4 root 5. This is the length of the minor axis. So the coordinate of center is 6 comma 4. Coordinate of center, this distance is 6, but coordinate of center is 4, because the focus, one of the focus is S, which is origin 0 0. So that the coordinate of center is 4 comma pi. This is the coordinate of center, 4 comma pi, and one of the focus is 0 0. Origin and length of the minor axis is 2b, which is 4 root 5. Length of major axis is 12. Length of minor axis is 2b 4 root 5. The another focus, one focus is S 0 0. Another focus is S dash. The another focus S dash we have to find its coordinate. But we know that the center, the distance from center to focus, CS equals to CS dash. The distance from center to focus is 4. So that this distance is also 4. Okay. And its coordinate is 4 plus 4, 8. 8, comma, this line is pi. So another focus is 8, comma, 5. Another focus is 8, comma, pi. One of the focus is 0, comma, 0. This is origin. And another focus is 8, comma, pi. The coordinate of focus S dash is 8, comma, 5. And the another one is we have to find equation of directrix. The directrix is x equals to d. X equal to d in polar form. D equals to here 10 by 3. A d equals to from the equations d equals to 10 by 3. Equals to 10 by 3, but E equals to 2 by 3, so that the distance from focus, the focus is origin, the origin to directrix is that is distance, this d, which is equals to 2 5 10. This 5 is the distance from focus to directrix. So the equation of directrix is x equal to d. The equation of directrix is x equal to d. X equals to d. So that d equals to 5, and dx x means r cos theta. X equal to r cos theta, which is equal to 5. Therefore, r equals to 5 sec theta. This is the equation of directrix. In this way, we describe the vertex, length of axis, length of minor axis, center, and equation of directrix.